Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd show you how I make my chicken broth from scratch using my slow cooker and a few core ingredients, and I'm also going to show you a few Asian inspired flavors you can throw in there as well. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get our celery, and we're just going to roughly chop it into a few pieces. It doesn't have to be pretty, it's just going to sit in a slow cooker overnight anyway. So once you've done that, we are going to put it all into our slow cooker. I've got the insert from my cooker just next to my board there, so I'm just putting it all in there. Okay, and then onto our carrots. Same thing, roughly chop and just put them all into your slow cooker insert. Okay, so with my onions, I only take off the outer layer of the peel, chop it into quarters and into the slow cooker. With my garlic, I just crush it using the side of my knife. Use however many cloves you like, I just used 3 today. And into the pot they go. With my chicken, I do like to use chicken wings. They're cheap, good value, and they have lots of joints, which means lots of collagen. Now, I love my Asian flavors, so I decided to put some lemongrass in there, just crushing it a bit, bruising it up with the back of the knife, and just cut it into a couple of pieces. Into the pot. Now, I also got some star anise, it's a nice licorice flavor, and some salt. I love using apple cider vinegar because it helps draw out all the nutrients from the bones and gives you a really nice gelatinous broth at the end. So I use about a tablespoon for my slow cooker. So I use filtered water for my broth. I just find it's nicer and less additives really. I used about 3.5 litres for this broth, and because I've got a big slow cooker, you use however much you need to fill up yours. A bit of whole peppercorns in there for a bit of warmth, and it's good for you too. Piece of ginger at the end just for some more Asian flavors, and we are ready to put our slow cooker on. So slow cooker is in place. I'm going to just add the lid on, and we're going to just set our slow cooker to a low. You can obviously do it quicker if you want to, but mine's going to sit now overnight, and I'll probably get to it about 11 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day, and this is what my broth is looking like now. It's been cooking for about 21 hours, I think, and it's smelling absolutely beautiful. So the color now is about a nice amber, and it is absolutely delicious. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to strain this off, and we are going to enjoy some soup for lunch, and I'm going to put the rest aside and have for later. Okay, I am ready to make my soup for lunch. I've got some cabbage, bok choy, some celery, and I've also got a nori sheet that I'm going to use as well. My vegetables are ready. I finally shredded the cabbage, pulled off a few bok choy leaves, chopped the celery, and I've also used some scissors to cut up the nori sheet, ready to go on top of the soup afterwards. also added in somewhat leftover chicken from the broth, and it's looking absolutely amazing and I can't wait to dig in. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time.